Hi there, students. Moil. To moil as a verb and moil as a noun. This is a fairly unusual word that most natives won't use, but it's perfectly valid. So firstly, the first meaning, to moil, to work hard, to toil. It's got that oil bit to it. Hard work or drudgery. Toil, yeah? So he has been moiling all day in the gold mine, yeah? He's been moiling at the building site, doing hard work. Agricultural workers very often moil all day. And then the second meaning is to churn and move around, yeah? Particularly like a liquid. So imagine a rough sea. There's a lot of turbulence in a rough sea. The sea is moiling. Yeah? The clouds were moiling in the high wind. The crowd was in a moil because they had panicked. Notice the word turmoil. The crowd was in turmoil, was in confusion, was in panic. Yeah, they were moving around. There were two cats fighting, and all I could see was a moil of fur and claws. Okay, so a confusion, a state of continuous agitation, swirling and churning. Confusion, okay? And those are the two main meanings of moil. So to moil, to work hard, or to moil, confusion, turmoil. Now, you can also use to moil meaning to make wet and dirty, but I think this meaning's rather archaic, and I don't think you're going to find people using it. Yeah? I moiled my shoes walking across the farmer's field. And there is actually one more meaning for moil as well. This is to do with glass blowing. When you blow glass. When you blow a piece of glass, you have to detach the blowpipe, the metal pipe, from the piece of glass. And that normally leaves a mark, which I would call a pontil. But you can also call that a moil. But that's, again, an unusual meaning of it. So, to moil, to toil. I guess you've been moiling all day studying your English, which is a very good thing. But I hope your mind is not in a moil with all the new things that you've learned. Okay, so to work hard and to be in continuous confusion, turmoil. Financial markets were in a moil due to the bad news. Okay, so it's confusion, or remember this word, turmoil. To moil is a regular verb. He moiled all day, he has moiled all week. And then, as to formality, I think I'd probably give this a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but I get the feeling that most native speakers are going to say, and what does that mean? So maybe you should use it for your exam writing, something semi-formal or very formal. Yeah, the sea was moiling like a cauldron of boiling water. Yeah, moil, boil. Maybe there's a link there as well. Okay, and then as to origin, it comes from Old French, mouiller, to wet, to damp. Yeah, and that's from the idea of wet and dirty, or to dirty with wetting, and that originally comes from Latin mollis or mollio, soft. I'm not sure how we go the whole way through that, but that's the origin of it. Okay, so to moil, to work hard, drudgery, hard work, toil, or confusion, things moving around, lack of order. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Moil.